Hey everybody, this is Miss G again, popping in to chat about week 3 with you guys. So I am clicking in here to the week 3 module, and as you can see, there's some supplemental stuff for you guys to use, text analysis steps, a link to the music video Shiny from Moana. Then here's a music video. Here's a funny, silly video, really dorky, of me giving an analysis of Shiny. And then here's another video of me explaining text analysis. So if you're into the videos, take a click and check those out. So hopefully they'll be helpful. So in the week 3 discussion, we are shifting away from the literacy narrative and we're taking a look at text analysis. So we're breaking the text into its separate parts. We're deciphering a deeper meaning. So again, there's the text analysis explained video. So it's not argumentative writing, but we are still making a claim about the text that we choose. So just keep in mind we're getting prepped for the text analysis paper that is due next week. So if you want to click ahead, and that's what we'll do at the end of this video, is look ahead at the text analysis assignment description. But a text can be a song, it can be a music video, it can be a film, a book, a video game. So take a look think about what text you want to choose. If you want to do a movie that you really liked, maybe you want to do an episode of a show that you liked or a character in a show, or maybe you want to analyze one of your favorite songs. I'll be posting some examples this week, so take a look, keep a lookout for those, but just post the ideas that you're thinking about analyzing for this week's discussion. For quiz number 2, you are reading the text analysis section in the Norton Field Guide, and I have included the textbook pages right below here. So the PDF, if you need the textbook pages still, like I said, you guys should have the textbook by now, but if you're still having trouble, I do have the PDF versions of the pages, so you want to make sure that you read those and take the quiz. And that's it for week 3 for your required tasks. But I do want to encourage you to click ahead into week 4 and take a look at the text analysis assignment description. And I'll go over this with you guys real quick. So an analysis is a close examination in which you look at the structures and the elements within that text, and you analyze them in order to come to a conclusion about that text. So after really closely examining the text, breaking it into its separate parts or into its separate elements, what is the deeper meaning of the text? So you're essentially arguing that the text has a deeper meaning and that those parts help contribute to developing that. So let's take a look here again. Remember, you are choosing a text that you're interested in, a song, a film, an article, a speech, a video game, maybe a character in a video game, an advertisement, a cartoon, maybe a character. So think about the text you're going to choose this week. It is MLA format, so make sure you are formatting it in correct MLA between 500 and 1,000 words. And you should practice citing that source, citing the text as a source. Should include a thesis, and you should describe the text that you've chosen a little bit. So here's the grading breakdown. There are some student samples for you to take a look at, and then I'll be posting some. So that is week 3 in a nutshell. So just let me know if you need anything, and as always, I'm here to help. So take a look at the assignment and have a great week 3, guys.